What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Like camera cloudy, man. I'll wipe y'all off just in case. But yeah, man, today we riding, man. It's been a long time since I just got to bust some blocks and Meech. I got it all washed up. Just got finished washing it. Put the wheels back on. Literally the day after the track, man. I was like, hey, I'm finna take a break from the track with this car. Cause I'm gonna have me a test session going on soon. And then I get back down to business and really get it dialed in on the nitrous, cause that's my only mission at this point. Converter straight and all of that. So we finna ride, man. We finna roll. I'm finna try to make it to the gas station. I can fill it up with 93. But just in case, I'm gonna take me a can of racing gas. Just in case I don't make it. So I won't have to be calling nobody like, hey, I need to do this and bring the gas can and all that other stuff. So I'm about to take me, look at all my chains I threw here. So I'm about to take me a can of racing gas. Then if I do run out of gas before I get to the gas station, I just pour a gallon or two in there, get to the gas station and put 93 in. Other than that, I'm just gonna bring it back home, which I hope to do. Cause I use it for the track. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm just gonna get to the gas station first. Gonna bust some blocks, man. I'm gonna have y'all tuned in on the GoPro. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. So look, I done got my gas. I made it to the gas station. It took $64 of gas to fill it up. And man, look who pulled up. Look, my boy JJ. Hey, when I say he was flying, he was flying, man. He pulled up with the windows up and everything. 8-ball, man. I gotta show my boy some love on camera. We've been rocking a long time. Y'all see 8-ball, man. Bad Pontiac, Parisian. I told y'all, we just talking about the chrome, man. When you execute it right, kill it, man. They're one of my favorite cars in the game right now, for real. I always tell them, it's just right. Like it ain't too much, man. It's just right. It got factory interior in it. This joker here was clean before he remixed. It got some pressure in it too. Fad with AC. Yeah, 8-ball, boy. That joker here club tough, man. I love that car for real, man. Then he really drive it. He really drive it, man. And then he run this joker. Look at this joker. This joker here clean. Joker here clean, boy. Yes, indeed. I know y'all probably can't see it good. He was out rolling all. He was out rolling already. I'm just not finna start busting my block. I told him I had to wash up stuff, man. So yeah, he caught me in traffic. I said, shit, he's pulled over, man. We just been chopping it up. So yeah, man, finna get the ride. Y'all stay tuned. ahead. Go ahead. Turn up. Hey, you turn this up loose.
Man, yo, man, how we do it out here, man? 200 block shit, man. Y'all niggas shit, man. That's how we coming, man.
They turn up out here, man.
Country niggas not doing,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. Hometown stuff.
Y'all doing in that city, man. Real shit.
Most definitely, man. Y'all keep turning up, man.
Sure,
y'all checking in, man. I ain't turned this thing off yet. I've been rolling about 50 minutes, man. Out. Nah, I've been out. Look over here. Cutting this thing loose. If I burn a half a tank of gas, man. So get some gas. Top the gas off and see where to it. We ain't gotta leave no fans on, none of that. We run cool, man. We ain't got to do none of that, y'all. Real street car activity. You can't do this in the car, man. I don't know what you got it for. Here we do, man. We turn up. We ride in the heat of the day. It's 80. Let me see. It's 86 degrees today. I ain't trying to wait till it cool off to ride, man. 86 degrees. And y'all see I cut off it, then poop, nothing. We full of 93. And put some more 93 in it. Yeah, man, we ride, man. We been turning it up too. We been cutting up, man. I know some clips gonna pop up on the internet. I'm gonna see if I can hunt them down, man. My folks in my hometown been showing love. They been catching me. So if I can catch some, if they tag me, man, I'm gonna show them to y'all. But I'm finna put some more 93 in the thing and check back in. All right, y'all, put 20 more dollars in there. I ain't trying to feel it slap up. I'm trying to run it out by the time I get home, get back to the house. But that right there should get her through the rest of the day. It ought to get her through the rest of the day. Man, here, boy. Nasty. Got to buy me some more time. But yeah, man, we finna get back to riding, man. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all see it? We back, man. Whole day ride. That what this thing for. Ride and turn up. Riding and turn up. That's the most turn up I done did in a long time. Y'all, cause I was letting that joker eat. The only thing I be hating when I'm busting block, and I'm doing the vlog for y'all, man, I can't catch the outside and the inside, man. That's the only thing I hate. But I caught, well, y'all see some of it, man. I was cutting that joker loose. A couple times I forgot to turn the GoPro on. So I ain't even get them on the GoPro. But man, this is a bad unit. Y'all heard it don't do none of that trying to run back. Cause it got 93 in it. None of that, man. This is a bad unit. It's a bad unit. True street. Drive anywhere. I told people this is not a pump faker. I don't build pump fakers. When I said any car in the yard, I mean any car in the yard, the whole fleet. If one of these everyday cars broke down, I'd drive either one of these. I ain't lying. I drive either one of these. I'm telling you, in one word, that this over here didn't run past 200 degrees. And it only hit 200. It hit 200 when you're sitting still. Cause, you know, it slowed the water pump. That's any car unless you got an electric water pump. But it slowed the water pump circulation and the RPM come down. So 200 sit right there. And for what this is, but I got it's good. 200 is great. But I got a mean cooling system. I got a mean cooling system on this joker. I ain't spared no expense. And when you're doing a hot street car, man, like some of them, I mean hot as in making a lot of power, but you want to drive it too, you got to spend the money. Like I ain't skipped nothing on the cooling system. We got the cowl hood so it can breathe, let some airflow get down there to it. It need that too, or let some of that heat out. And yeah, man, it just dependable. Like I said, man, we ain't good oil pressure. Turning up, and still that joke hold steady. When I'm going down the road, I was running 188, 190, 188, 190 degrees, man, all day long, and it was 85, 86 degrees. It's still 86 degrees a day, and I pulled it out 86, man. It do the same thing in 90 degrees. It don't matter. Like that's what, if you want to test a street car, a true street car, go out in the heat. That's gonna tell the tale, cause you got hot air blowing across the radiator and stuff. On a cool day in winter, all these jokers run cool. Your car gonna run cooler, man. But you want to test them out. Tell them to pull them out in the heat. Man, we roll 70, 75 miles per hour, man. Y'all know I get on the interstate with the joker any day. I should have did that, cause we might have caught us one of the old cats out there, one of them Hellcats on Scat Pack. Might have a Corvette would have caught something out there on the highway, man. Could have gave it to him on motor. 93, man. So what I did today, I ended up putting $64 in 93, man. I made it to the gas station on life support. I'm talking about that joker was, matter of fact, it made me think, man. Let me take the gas out here. I'll be looking for my own gas. I know I had extra racing gas. Y'all know at the beginning of the day, before we took off, I put my can of 112 in here in the back. And that was literally just in case I didn't make it to the gas station, which I did. And I checked that joker, boy. Cause the way I checked the gas level, cause on the gas hand, boy, it was buried. It was buried. I said, man, when it go like that, I know it. I'm on life support. So the gas hand was buried, man, meaning past the E. I said, boy, I hope I make it. Y'all see, it ain't even open. I said, I hope I make it. I got there, so when they get that low like that, and the gas hand won't register, I stick the funnel in there. I stuck that funnel in there, boy, the tip of barely wet, just the tip. I said, boy, I finna be on the side of the road, but I made it. And, well, I wasn't gonna be on the side of the road, that's why I bought this. But I ain't need it. I made it. So I put $64. It took $64. I probably could have squeezed a little more in there. I think it was 16. Yeah, I could have squeezed some more, cause it was 16 gallons. So I put 16 gallons in 93. That's an 18-gallon fuel cell. So I could have squeezed 2 more. 16 gallon. When I finally cut it off, I rode an hour. Had the car running the hour, man. Cause it was like a 45-minute drive. Then I started busting all the blocks and all that. So I had the car running over an hour straight before I cut it off. Pulled up at the gas station, which y'all saw that. I put $20 in there. It took me to, cause it was a little below half a tank doing all that. It took me about the 3/4 of the tank, and then y'all see it burn another half a tank, cause then it's on a quarter tank. So I probably ride the rest of that out between tomorrow and the day after that. I ride that gas out. I keep it in there, cause I ain't going to track, so it's gonna be full of 93 for a little bit now, but. Even time to time, I like to put racing gas in and keep it clean. Even if I'm not racing it, cause it just keep your fuel system clean and all that. But all in all, man, hey, today was a good day. It was fun. We back on the foes. Meech clean. I'm finna cover this nag up. I be want to drive Donk Gang too, man, but Donk Gang just slow. I need some pressure, a little something in this joke. I'm gonna do the rip, man. We're gonna do the rim. We're gonna go ahead and get the rim done in this thing, man. I need a little something. That joker needs some help, boy. So I've been wanting to drive R&B, man. The headlight went off again. I gotta see what to it. I drove Dolo. I drove Dolo the other week when I had the 6s on it. I drove it, got some good miles on it, turned it loose. So I drove brown coat. It's Grandma Nana time, man. So Grandma Nana time to hit the road again. So I probably be in Grandma Nana or either don't game. So yeah, that's what it is, man. But I'm finna cover this thing up. Man. Go ahead and get on the Xbox Series X. I got that new Street Fighter 6. Y'all know Street Fighter Ultra Legendary game, boy. I got the new Street Fighter 6, so I'm finna go ahead and lock in on my Xbox Series X, man. Just enjoy the AC. And I'm finna put something in my stomach first of all, cause I ain't ate all day. Did it again. I worked out and blood blocked and I ain't ate all day. So yeah, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG. We out.